How to set up your rear spring preload. Even if the damper is assembled to the bike, you don't need to take it out. What you need to do this: a hammer, a big screwdriver, maybe a small screwdriver, or an edding, or a tape, and maybe some oil. First you need to mark the lower spring nut. You can do this by using the small screwdriver, making some scratches here like I did, or using the edding. I cannot because my one is empty, so it's not working. Or you can use a tape and stick it here. I use the blue one to see later better the moving spring. Next you have to open the upper nut by using the big flat screwdriver. Position pretty nice and then open it up. It's easy because I lose it before the video. Now you can turn up a little bit. And now you can grab the spring. If you look to the blue mark, you see you can start spinning the spring. And the important thing is to know how much one turn is. I measured this before, and one full turn is 1.5 millimeter. That means if you stay on the original spring preload, which is on the 250 107.5 millimeter, you can change the spring preload without taking out and without the need of measure the distance. If you can't move the spring, put on slightly bit of oil on this side here, and also from the opposite, from the other side. And also put in some oil here where the spring is on the damper. Now turn it back. So again, one full turn is 1.5 millimeter. If you do so, don't forget also to adjust the compression on top and the rebound on the right bottom end of the damper. And at the end, don't forget to fix your new setting like this. Hammer it down and you should be fine. I recommend make an Excel sheet and make some notes, or take a paper notebook and write up your settings so you can do all on the trail, take a test ride, change the position, and you always know your setup. Thanks for watching, bye bye.